Hey guys, good morning, good evening, good afternoon, whatever time of day it is you're watching this video. Welcome back to another video. As you can see from the title, today I'll be doing a vegan or plant-based meal. I'll be making some curry coconut chickpeas, and yes, this meal is entirely plant-based, and I'll be serving it with some bulgur rice. Now, if this is something that you want to see, then definitely stick around. Right here, I'm just letting you guys see the ingredients that I'll be using, which are carrots, sweet pepper, I have some thyme, some diced garlic, some scallion, and also I have some onion. Now, I pre-prepared these and just to save some time on the video. And at the top I have my ginger. We Jamaicans, we like to add a tubes of ginger to everything, especially with curry. I'll be using coconut milk, some all-purpose seasoning, it's a tin chickpeas, and of course the big bad better pack curry powder. Now let's get into the cooking. So guys, to get started, I'll be adding some vegetable oil to the pot, and then once that is heated up a little, I'll be going ahead to add some curry powder. Now what I'll be doing here, we Jamaicans call it burn the curry, but really and truly it's not burning the curry, because you don't want it to get black, because if the curry gets black, it gets bitter. What we're really doing is cooking the curry a bit, so that helps to prevent any effects on the stomach, on the belly. You don't want any kind of movements after the meal. So I'm just going ahead to add some curry to the oil, and we Jamaicans, we don't have no measurement. We just put some things in the pot until the ancestors say stop, and that's just what I'm doing right here. Once I add the curry, then I just go ahead to mix it in the oil to allow it to fry up a bit, cook up a bit, Jamaican bun the curry. So next up guys, yes, realize my curry is just golden, so now I'm just going ahead to add my natural seasonings. So I'm going to be adding the onion, the garlic, the scallion, and the thyme to the pot, and then a little bit after I'm also going to add the carrots, because you want the carrots to be cooked as well. You want them to get a little bit tenderized, you don't want it too crunchy. So I'm adding those. I'm saving my sweet pepper for further down in the meal, because I for one like when my sweet pepper has that crunch in the meal. So won't be adding it here. At this point, I'm just going ahead to mix my seasonings up in the oil in the curry so that they can add some flavor as well to it. And don't worry guys, I'll be adding the full ingredients listing in the description section. So on your way, after you click the like button, clicking that subscribe button, then you can go to description for the details of the ingredients. Now if you guys want, you can buy the uncooked chickpeas, do the cooking and everything, but for me, I'll be using the pre-cooked chickpeas, well soft and nice already. So I drain the water from it, and then I'm now going ahead to add it to the pot and just to mix up the curry sauce, the curry onto it, and allow it to fry up a bit. And then the next step that I'll be doing after this is to add the coconut milk. So at this point, I'll be going ahead to add a cup of coconut milk to the mixture. And as you go along, as you try to build the sauce to the thickness or thinness that you desire, you can add water to the mixture. So just going ahead with the 1 cup of coconut milk, and guys, just to add that I'm also cooking this on a low flame to allow for my sauce to get to the thickness of my desire. I will also be sprinkling some all-purpose seasoning, and as I tell you before, we don't measure these things, we just shake it until the ancestors say stop. And listen when I say that oftentimes, if not all the times, it is the desired amount. I'm also going ahead to add some ginger, so I use 1 corkful of ginger, which is probably a tablespoon of ginger, if we're to make an estimate, yeah. And I'm just going to mix that up together, and then I'll just cover the pot to allow it to simmer down and cook down nice up and stuff. You know, us Jamaicans ancestors are gonna tell if I add a little black pepper, so I just sprinkled some black pepper as well, and I'll be adding a Scotch bonnet pepper as well to add some spice, add some additional flavor. You see already, my gravy is coming to a nice little thickness, you know, nice curry coconut sauce, you know, when that pour over your food, oh, that nice and something, just look at that already. And as we wait on the curry coconut chickpeas to simmer down, if you have made it this far in the video, you're new to the channel and you have not yet hit that subscribe button, just go ahead and click it right now and click that bell so that the next time I post you'll be notified. And if you are a regular natural little watcher, thanks for continuing to support me, and make sure so you hit the like button. Leave me a comment down below as well so we can chit chat down there.
A few moments later.
So after allowing it to cook down for probably about 10 minutes, I am back to add my sweet peppers. Yes. Now adding my sweet pepper at this point to add some added color, and I'm going to add the thyme as well, because you know I once heard that you should add the thyme close to the end of the pot, and that's when it actually adds the true flavor. So that's been proven, and here we are adding the thyme and adding the sweet pepper to the pot, and then you know just going to allow it to cook down a little bit more. You know, adding the sweet pepper at this time adds that little touch of color as well. I wish I had some red sweet pepper, because you know that would have been the icing on the cake in terms of colors, and you know we love when we food full of color, rich and bright and nice. But yes, just going to leave this to cook down a bit, and then the next scene you'll see in this video is the final serving of my curry coconut chickpeas. And here we have it, as we Jamaicans would say, sitia, well ready, well served up. My curry coconut chickpeas is now served with some bulgur wheat, or as we call it, bulgur rice, some plantains, tomato, coleslaw, and a nice little decorated rose from sweet pepper and tomato, well decorated plates. Let me know what you think down in the comment section, if this is something you would try, to have that moment at your plant-based diet. And of course, guys, don't forget to hit the like button. Share this video with a friend or family member you think would benefit from this meal idea. And if you're new to the channel, don't leave without clicking that subscribe button and that notification bell, so the next time I post, you will be notified. So guys, this is where I leave you for today, and of course, continue to be your most authentic self and continue to stay naturally. Walk good till the next video.